Hey there, in today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of viral content. Have you ever wondered why certain things just take off and become viral sensations, while others seem to fade into oblivion? Well, today we're going to uncover the secrets behind why things go viral, and how you can use these strategies to your advantage. First up, we have social currency. Think about it. What do you talk about with your friends and family? Is it the latest news? Or maybe something unique and interesting? Well, studies have shown that what you talk about shapes how people see you. Just like my mom's viral flower post on Facebook, sharing something that makes you feel special or loved can have a ripple effect. So, the next time you have something worth sharing, keep in mind the social currency it can bring. Next, let's talk about triggers. Triggers are like habits, they provoke thoughts and actions. Remember those Kit Kat ads that featured images of coffee alongside their product? Well, that's a trigger. By associating their product with something people see every day, Kit Kat was able to increase their sales by a whopping 33%. So, think about what triggers you can use to create a strong association with your brand or content. Now, let's dive into emotions. We all know that certain emotions drive us to share or engage with content more than others. Excitement, humor, anger, and anxiety are just a few examples of emotions that make content more shareable. Just think about those viral videos of cute puppies or shocking moments. They elicit strong emotional responses and get people talking. So, when creating content, consider the emotions you want to evoke in your audience. Moving on to the public idea. Have you ever noticed that when everyone is doing something, you feel more inclined to do it too? That's the power of social influence. Take the example of Livestrong bracelets. When these yellow wristbands became popular, everyone wanted to wear one to show support for a cause. The more people saw others wearing them, the more the trend grew. So, if you want your content to go viral, consider how you can tap into the influence of the masses. Practical value is another key factor in creating viral content. People love sharing information that is valuable and helpful. Think about videos that provide practical tips or solutions to everyday problems. They are more likely to be shared because they make the person sharing them look helpful and knowledgeable. So, when creating content, think about how you can provide practical value that your viewers can't resist sharing. Last but not least, we have stories. Stories are what captivate us and keep us engaged. They help us make sense of information and connect with others. Remember the famous blend tech videos where they blended up strange objects? Well, those videos created idle chatter, sparking conversations about the crazy things this blender could do. So, when creating your content, don't forget the power of storytelling. By incorporating these 6 strategies into your content, you'll be on your way to creating viral sensations that people can't help but share. Remember, create something that your audience will want to talk about. Associate it with triggers, evoke strong emotions, tap into the power of social influence, provide practical value, and tell compelling stories. If you found this video valuable and want to learn more, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Also, be sure to check out my social media channels for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and remember to ask yourself, what actions will I implement from this video in my own life? And hey, if you found this video truly valuable and it made a difference for you, consider giving a tip proportional to the value received. The link can be found in the description below. Happy sharing! Music, narrator. In a Swiss laboratory in 1943, a young scientist accidentally stumbled upon a groundbreaking discovery that would change the course of history. Albert Hofmann, while synthesizing a chemical meant to stimulate respiration, unknowingly created what we now know as LSD. This accidental invention led to a golden era of psychedelic research in the 1950s and 60s. Thousands of studies were conducted, revealing the therapeutic potential of hallucinogenic drugs. However, this progress was abruptly halted by a backlash against the hippie counterculture and the war on drugs. In 1971, the UK Parliament introduced the Misuse of Drugs Act, classifying substances like LSD, psilocybin, and DMT as illegal Class A drugs. Further research on psychedelics was banned. Narrator, but times are changing. With the legalization of cannabis in many countries, the door is now open to re-examine the medical benefits of other currently illegal substances like psilocybin mushrooms, LSD, MDMA, and DMT. And the first new studies in over 30 years are revealing remarkable potential. Narrator, depression is a growing problem, and for up to half the people who take antidepressants, they simply don't work. But recent research has shown that psilocybin, the active ingredient in magic mushrooms, can have a profound impact on mental health. In a study involving 20 patients suffering from depression, those who took psilocybin experienced greater antidepressant effects than those taking typical antidepressants. They reported feeling more connected and accepting of their emotions and memories. Narrator, unlike traditional antidepressants, psilocybin therapy only requires a few sessions over a period of months. The therapy takes place under controlled conditions, and patients often experience permanent change after just a few sessions. Similar positive results have been found with the use of LSD, DMT, and ketamine in treating depression. Narrator, the push for more research on psychedelics is growing rapidly, but there is still much to be learned before these treatments become mainstream. If you found this topic interesting, consider downloading the Compass News app. Compass takes the most interesting news stories from hundreds of sources and summarizes them in 2 quick, easily digestible pieces. The app provides reliable, ad-free news for less than $1 a month. Narrator, your support on Patreon is also greatly appreciated, as it helps us keep this channel running. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on the latest videos. And before you go, ask yourself, what actions will you take in your own life based on the information you've gained from this video? End of script. Hook. Nowadays, everyone is looking for potential partners online. But have you ever wondered how social media and the internet affect how we perceive attractiveness? In a recent study, researchers discovered some fascinating insights about what makes a person attractive in the online world. Introduction. Hey there, fellas. Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to up your game in the dating world, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of online dating profiles and how they impact our perceptions of attractiveness. So, grab a cup of coffee and get ready to learn something new. Point 1. The influence of social media. A recent study conducted in El Salvador revealed that people with more internet access tend to favor certain facial and physical features when it comes to attractiveness. This could be attributed to the biases and media influences we encounter online. However, those without internet access prioritize different qualities, such as personality and parenting abilities. Point 2. Creating an attractive online profile. When it comes to creating your online dating profile, it's important to strike a balance between being authentic and showcasing your best qualities. Adding context to your photos and highlighting activities you genuinely enjoy can increase your attractiveness to potential matches. Additionally, social proof, like receiving likes and comments, can make your profile more appealing. Point 3. The power of social media behavior. Remember that your social media presence can have a significant impact on how others perceive you, whether they've just met you or have known you for a while. Avoid posting too many pictures with an X, as it may raise red flags. Be cautious when engaging in heated political debates online, as it can turn off potential partners. Review your privacy settings and consider meeting in person sooner rather than later to truly showcase the real you. Point 4. Don't stress, just be yourself. It's important to stay true to yourself and your interests while being mindful of how you present yourself online. However, don't let the fear of the perfect profile hold you back. Instead, focus on meeting people in person and letting your genuine personality shine through. Remember, Your real-life self is more important than your online persona in building a meaningful connection. Call to action. If you're looking to level up your dating skills or gain more insights into attraction and body language, I've created a comprehensive video course called The Psychology of Attraction. In this course, I've compiled the best tips and techniques from dating books and psychology textbooks, all illustrated with animated videos to make learning enjoyable. Check the link in the description below for more information and an exclusive discount. Outro. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope you found this video valuable and gained some new insights into the world of online dating profiles. Remember, the online world is just the beginning, so let your real-life personality shine. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to show your support by giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel, and hitting that notification bell. And hey, if you found it exceptionally helpful, you can leave a tip proportional to the value you received. The link can be found in the description. Now, it's time for you to take action. What steps will you implement from this video in your own dating life? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, stay confident and keep chasing those dreams. Cheers!